Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting 5 essential papers and notes. This narrows focus and speeds processing. Once done, put them in one clearly named folder and import into Notebooklm. Make sure to select OCR for scanned docs and tag anything urgent. You should also set the research scope in the project settings so the model prioritizes methods, results, or background. These first actionable steps get you from zero to a working dataset fast and ready for the next phase. You now refine the content by asking targeted queries. Start with methods and a concise summary, then request gaps and follow-up experiments. As you query, highlight key passages so Notebooklm learns what matters. This improves subsequent answers. Once you have a synthesis, drill down, ask for experimental details, data extraction, or reproducible code snippets. Make sure to iterate, compare outputs, correct misunderstandings, and requery with clarifying prompts to convert broad summaries into actionable research tasks. You wrap up by exporting outlines, annotated notes, and a bibliography in the formats you need. Then cross-check any extracted facts against the original PDFs for accuracy. Once done, assemble your draft or experiment plan using the synthesized sections. If Notebooklm starts drifting or hallucinating, reset the context, supply a short refresher prompt, and reattach the critical source passages. That one troubleshooting tip, refresh context, usually brings answers back on track, preserving your time and research integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.